Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. On the demand of Jin from Republic of Korea, it is first demand from outside of my beloved country India. It is a problem of trigonometry. We have to prove now. 2 times sine hyperbolic A into sine hyperbolic B is equal to cos hyperbolic A plus B minus cos hyperbolic A minus B. So we see here proof of this in equality. So we start by taking left hand side. Left hand side is 2 times sine hyperbolic A into sine hyperbolic B. We know the formula of sine hyperbolic Z means definition of sine hyperbolic Z. It is e to the power Z minus e to the power minus Z upon 2. We apply this formula in these two value of sine hyperbolic A and sine hyperbolic B. So by applying this formula or definition, we can write here uh, we are seeing here the if z we write that a sorry so a in place of z then this value is equal to e to the power a minus e to the power minus a whole upon 2. Also again we apply this definition to b. So b replace that by b, then b get e to the power b minus e to the power minus b upon 2. Now we here see that 2 is cancelled out by 2, and this 2 we can write here, and numerator must be multiplied to this numerator, and then e to the power a multiplied to this, and also there is no denominator except 2 which I write here. Only this numerator to be multiplied. So I multiplied this to this, therefore e to the power a into e to the power b. Again e to the power a multiplied to this number, or we know that multiplication of e to the power a into e to the power minus plus equal to minus e to the power a into e to the power minus b. Now we multiply minus e to the power a to e to the power minus a to these two numbers one by one. Therefore we get e to the power minus a into e to the power b, and we multiply minus e to the power a to this minus e to the power minus b, then we get minus minus into becomes plus, so e to the power minus a into e to the power minus b. So after it we get to next step. Since base sorry there is some problem, there is some problem. Vibration is occurred. Now we focus our question. E to the power there is same base, therefore we can add these two number e to the power a plus e to the power b. Also there is same base e, we write e only one times, and these powers and degree should be at therefore a minus b, because power of this is equal to minus b, minus e to the power minus a and plus b. Default on b is plus, so we write plus here, plus e to the power minus a minus b. Now we write e to the power this and this at near e to the power a plus b plus e to the power minus a minus b. Also we write e to the power a minus b and e to the minus a plus b. After it we collect 2 these two numbers. Also we take a minus from this bracket. By this these two number will be plus. Now we open this bracket, so 1 by 2 is multiply in this bracket and this bracket, then we get 2 here and minus and 2 here. And we see on numerator e to the power a plus b plus e to the power, we take minus here, therefore a plus b. Also we write this as a to the power a minus b plus e to the power, we take minus from here, then we get a minus b. Now we also consider the definition of cos hyperbolic z. We know e to the power z plus e to the power minus z 1 2. This definition we can apply it here in here. We are seeing here that z is replaced by a plus b and minus z also is a minus b. So we write by definition of this value is equal to cos here a plus z is replaced by a plus b and this value becomes and a minus z is in instead of z, therefore a minus b. I think you could understand my little knowledge of English, but I think you could understand this mathematical problem. Thank you very much indeed for watching us.